Don't expect me to. That's the dumbest hamster I've ever seen. What, you stupid piece of shit?
Hi, welcome to Poppy's Workshop. This is Shearline Lathe 3-jaw chuck upgrade project update number 1.
Dumb hamster.
Here's the chuck that needs to get mounted. Here's a hunk of 6061 T6. You notice I've mounted it, I've marked the face it's going up. It's exactly too big for this to chuck in its outside jaw. No way the vise or chucks that came with my that I bought from Shearline gonna hold it. So cheap Chinese 4-inch drill press vise.
Cheap shit. Is that what you said there?
Cheap Chinese drill press vise? That's what I said? Yes.
Cheap junk.
Hey, it'll bolt to the table of my mill and hold this while I drill and tap it.
The other one said it was cheap Chinese junk. I'm just breed.
Yeah.
But it'll get the job done.
That's all it matters.
What'd the guy say?
Get her done.
Get her done. That's Larry the Cable.
Anyway,
Come on, you. Oh,
I figure I'm going to get 3 nice chunks of this for making stuff.
that should be enough.
1st inch
It won't hold it more.
backing plate for the chuck. And I got 2 inches.
5 minutes to 6, in case you're interested.
Yeah, I know. I'm thinking maybe I'll make a trunnion, 1.5-inch shelf. Trunnion.
And what's a trunnion, dear? To us that don't know.
In this case, it's a shelf which I will be able to attach to my rotary table, and therefore it will go like so.
Very nice.
And I can bolt stuff to it.
Cool.
Then again, I could make something else. But that single L-shelf trunnion sounds interesting. And I want to shout out to, or should I say recommend, SOS Co Metals. He's an eBay seller. I ordered that hunk of aluminum 2 nights ago. That means yesterday, first thing in the morning, he threw it in the flat rate envelope because it arrived today. Quick, honest, and I measured for gits and shiggles. Let's get a tighter grip. There we go.
But man, I tripped over this coming out. Kick the shit out of my damn room. Or I kick your ass up to your eyeballs.
Anyway, 2.9920. Eight thousandths of an inch. Not bad. Not bad for blanking.
Supposed to fill in the blank there.
Ooh. No, when you're blanking, you know, like cutting off a raw piece, that's a blank.
Yeah.
So if you're cutting off hunks of,
Blank. You're blanking.
you know, hunks of bar stock to a blank length, you're blanking.
Makes sense.
Blanking off 500,000 6-inch long pieces of 1-inch bar stock. That's almost a career.
That's like that.
Anyway, I'm gonna say goodnight.